Welcome to do090.com. In this video, I am going to explain to you very shortly everything that you can use our app for. Let's get started. In our app, you can buy airtime and data at a very cheap rate. And you can even buy data even when you are offline and out of data, without internet connection. You can buy via our SMS bot or via our Facebook bot on Facebook free mode. And you can also make money online via our app by being a data reseller, no fee required. And don't forget to join our Earn Roll program. There you can earn every week while other users are transacting, buying airtime and data. We also have many other earning methods, like the Choose and Earn, the Spin and Earn, and many more. You can see them all in the app when you get started. And you can also take advantage of our Refer and Earn program. We also have an ongoing training on how to earn doing simple social media tasks. You can play the tutorial videos on our app to learn more. We also give daily bonuses and cashback withdrawals. And you can also spin and earn cash. All your earnings can be withdrawn directly into your bank account. And you can also use our app to get free website or social media views, likes, comments, shares, followers, or more, and even content, music, or app downloads, all for 100% free. If you have any question or need help, just click on the live chat icon floating on the corner of your screen and chat with us. Our real human agents are online and ready to help you out. Thanks. Now go get started.